world of RC, there seems to be a void that exists somewhere between lightning-fast race cars and slower but purpose-built trail trucks and rock crawlers. Well, we think we have the perfect thing to scratch that itch: the RC10 4x4 pickup truck. The RC10 4x4 pickup truck is a full builder's kit in a perfectly portable size, and it's also packed full of features. This rig isn't only designed for scale looks with realistic wheels, tires, and body. This truck is also built for performance. The steel ladder frame chassis provides the perfect backbone for this little rugged rig. The 4-link suspension and soft tires give grip and performance needed to climb over some of the roughest terrain. Transferring power to the rocks is a compact 3-gear transmission, gear differentials on the front and rear, plastic low-friction slider-type drive shafts, front CVA axles, and metal shielded ball bearings throughout. These shocks are awesome because they blend performance and realism. They're fluid-filled, and the spring is actually inside the shock body, just like a full-size shock. It also comes with a clear body and box art decals, so you can duplicate the box art livery. The truck also has a low center of gravity and updated gearing for faster speeds. Oh, by the way, the kit also includes a motor. It's a 400 size brush motor with lots of RPM and low-end torque. Classic gold and aluminum drizzled throughout the chassis. You'll spot plenty of white nylon parts which pay tribute to the original RC10. And these aren't just visual trademarks. They also represent the innovation and craftsmanship that set the RC10 apart from anything else on the track. And beyond their strength and durability, these white components give you the creative freedom to dye the parts to match whatever color scheme you can imagine. You're only limited by which color dyes are available, and there's plenty of them on the market. By keeping the original RC10 concept alive, we reconnect vintage builders with their roots and introduce newcomers to the original RC10's legacy. So if you ever find yourself caught in between a race car or a trail truck, we have just the thing. The RC10 4x4 pickup truck, along with all of its available replacement parts and upgrades, are available at rc10.com and through popular retailers.